everyone, my name is Christine Joy Sardoma. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the Newton's bottle trick. So this activity, it will help us to understand the concept of inertia. So are you ready? So without further ado, let's get started. So in this activity, we need three materials. So first is an empty bottle. Next is 50 peso bill. So you can use any kind of paper bill. And lastly, 7 peso coins. First is place the paper bill on top of the bottle's mouth. Next, carefully stack the 7 1 peso coins on top of the bill. So make sure they're centered. Next is hold the edge of the paper bill and quickly strike the bill. So the goal is to remove the bill quickly without disturbing the coins. So as what you've seen earlier, the coin stayed on top of the bottle even though the bill was removed. So maybe now you are wondering, or some of you are wondering why that happened. So that is because of inertia. So according to Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. So since the coins were not directly disturbed, so as what you've seen, I didn't touch the coins, right? So they remain in place due to their inertia. So before I removed the bill, the coins were at rest. So their state of motion was unchanged because no external force acted upon them. So the coins stayed on top of the bottle because inertia resisted the sudden movement of the bill. So the quick action minimized friction and disturbance, allowing them to remain in place. So that's it. So this experiment is a fun and simple way to observe Newton's first law of motion, right? So I hope you enjoy and learn something today. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!